This morning I'm back in the barn doing a little bit of work on the Ford 2000 revival project. Now, a little while back, the folks at MyMROmarts.com contacted me and asked if there was anything they could provide for this project. So I checked out their website, and they have a lot of parts available for agricultural and construction equipment. Most of it is for newer equipment than the old junk I usually mess with. But they were able to provide me with a water pump for this tractor, so they sent one along, and I have it here.